So guys, in this part we'll be continuing our Portsmouth lift tour. So continuing on from Southsea to Fratton, and we go to Asda, and first to the mini two floor multi-story car park. In the car park, obviously I don't know why I just said that. Which has two rather confusing, strange Oakland generic lifts. Both of them have weird logic. I don't know why it's like this. Basically, if you want to go up, you have to press down, and you have to press down to go up. So that means if you're at a floor and say you want to go, you call a lift, and you're on the ground floor, you have to press down. Or if on the first floor, you have to press up. Because if you end up pressing the lift in the direction you want to travel, the lift will send it up that way, as proven in this video. Really confusing. I'll just demonstrate what happens if it's down. You won't be able to see it, but you will be able to hear it. Maybe not, let's leave it here now. Basically, if you press down, it actually sends the lift down. So meaning when you have to call a lift, you have to press the lift in the opposite direction of what direction you want to go. Really strange. I do not like these lifts at all, really. It's not that hydraulics. This one doesn't sound as loud. Just to prove that this one's arrived, I'll press down. There we go. Madness. Now along into the store itself and into the nice Kone monogoods lift. This is one of the slowest lifts with an EcoDisc motor I have ever ridden, except for the ones at Debenhams in Ashford, which are even slower than this one. Technically, you may... Yes, Other lifts in Fratton are located at the train station, where there are two Stanner lifts installed by Oakland. Has slightly different parts, such as the different Dewhurst. I believe they're the US 94 ones, but they're jumbo ones. Both on platforms 1 and another one on 2 and 3. They're not really that much, really. Also, there's the lift in Tesco Express. Sorry, there's two lifts in Tesco Express, which are Otis Gen 2s. By the way, you can watch the pair of these lifts on my YouTube. Some are on there. I've definitely filmed the lifts in Tesco Extra, which are rather unreliable Otis Gen 2s, and only 3 years old now. So it was installed in 2015. Definitely filmed the lifts at Fratton Station as well, so that'll be on my channel there somewhere for you to see. Other lifts that I said I was going to film but haven't done. You've got TK Maxx at Ocean Retail Park. That's not in like any of the districts or anything, but yeah, I haven't filmed that. That is a Otis Gen 2. That'll be somewhere in my channel, so you can go and find that if you want. Another is in Hilsea, which is the range, which has a generic lift with Julie Berry, the same voice that does the Piccadilly line, South Eastern, London North Western Railway, West Midlands Railway, Southern trains. Does the voice in this generic lift. I've also filmed that for YouTube. So that leads us down to one last. Actually, I might have a file of lift at Port Solent, but I may not. But I said if I do, I'll put it in this video. If not, I have filmed it. Lift at Port Solent is a Curtie lift. So this takes us to Cosham, to our next lift, which I do actually have footage for, which is the generic lift. No, sorry, the old lift modernised by Otis at the Tesco Metro multi-storey car park. And apologies for not having those videos in this lift tour, but those lifts can be found in other videos on my channel. This is an old lift that's been modernised by Otis at Tesco Metro multi-storey car park in Cosham, Portsmouth. I have no idea what this lift was originally. That's where the old panel used to be. Like an Evans panel. We've got the Otis took over here in UK. Long Express. They will say so on the door track. Like the blue light. Typical of what you normally get in a multi-storey car park, really. You know, lifts of this design are gradually getting replaced. Unfortunately, it turns out that I don't have the footage or any footage of the Curtie lift at Port Solent, the Boardwalk Shopping Centre. But I have filmed it loads of times previously. I've uploaded it onto my YouTube, so that is there to be watched for you guys. And that is it for this lift tour. Now we have done a lift tour of the whole of Portsmouth. So we have covered Gunwharf Quays, the city centre, Southsea, Fratton and Cosham. And I have mentioned lifts at Ocean Retail Park and at Hilsea, and also the one at Port Solent. So apologies that this lift tour took 3 months to get together. I have been extremely busy with college mostly, and also noticing that I don't even have the files, any footage of the lifts that I need to film on my computer anywhere, so I had to go out and film them. And also I've been too busy to do that, so I've had to have a long wait before I can. Luckily I've managed to finish it off today, which I'm glad to do. So that is it from me. I might do another lift tour soon, but it'll probably be shorter than this one, because this one took far too long to create in general, altogether. So yeah, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care, goodbye.